Day 36 and 37, week 6. Working on the outside of the house. It looks so beautiful. So everything is white right now. Primed. Almost one half of the house. We're gonna do white color top and blackish color underneath for the concrete blocks. The side of the house, we're gonna put the AC over here. Alright, so we got all the windows down. Day 38, week 6. So this is how it looks like after the first primer and then first layer of paint. So this is how it looks like during the night. We're gonna see it tomorrow too. We got another 5 gallon of white dope for the exterior paint. So 5 gallon was not enough, so we got another 5 and paint the garage vinyl too. Week 39, week 6. So only 2 guys are working on the exterior part, and we're expecting the full crew tomorrow morning. So everything is gonna fire on all cylinders tomorrow. We have a lot of work on the exterior part, interior part of the house. A lot of cosmetic stuff, also final touch-ups on some areas. So I did overbuy a lot of stuff for the interior project, and we're probably gonna use all that materials to the next project that we're gonna flip up probably about in 30 to 45 days from now. So that house is for rental right now. It's been rented out for 3 years now. So we are actually switching the trajectory, I would say, plans, and we are switching from rentals to flipping. So we're gonna have about 2 rentals because we're downsizing, and we're gonna put our tenant to our house, and then the other tenant that's gonna move to a different house, we're gonna sell that house, and we're gonna keep this small house, as we don't need a big house because we're gonna be going down to Florida for 6 months to try out the area in schools and the climate to see if we like it. So, but anyways, we're gonna be coming back to Pittsburgh because the business and the work-wise, everything is located in Pittsburgh. Now let's check out the house. It looks beautiful. Love it. Love the color. This is how it looks like when the sun is up with the sunlight. This is close up video. So everything is painted. Soffit, gutters, pipes, vinyl, siding. This is primed. So I just got off the phone with the surveyor. So he's saying that we can build a contemporary house over here on this side of the house. It's up the hill, and it's more, the land is more valuable, and it's got a better view to the park, hill, and everything here, and easier to connect to the utilities. So, and the second one is going to be A-frame on that side, which is smaller, and it's going to be a little bit challenging to connect to the main utilities. So now I'll have to talk to the code enforcement of Wilkins Township, pre-construction, new construction inspector. So and just to figure out like what they need for the new builds, and what type of documentation and what do they typically need from the like a surveyor and then the designer and everything included. So probably gonna call and schedule home inspection for this house, and then I can talk to the inspector when he comes over here. I can show him the lots and the house plans, and yeah, he can itemize all the stuff they need to build a new house, so that I can deliver it to the surveyor, and we can discuss about the design, house plan, floor plan, and everything, and he can itemize it and give me whole price for the whole project and the ETA on the project. So let's see how much would it cost for us, and we'll go through from there. And he also gave me a good tip on budgeting the new construction. So I can go to 84 Lumber, and they can count on the budget for the flooring and drywalls and windows, but they cannot do the concrete budgeting. So I'll have to do that with a builder or a different company. And so that's a good way of starting it, so that I can see how much I have to budget and how long it's going to take to get them, and just to see the whole project cost. It looks shiny now, but it's not shiny. It's not dry yet, so it's a satin finish. But this side is going to be wrought iron, and this side is white dove satin. So once it's dry, it's going to be like that area, satin, without gloss, without shine. We're going to paint this concrete privacy block into wrought iron as well. So a lot of stuff would go to the next project, and after that we're going to return if we have any leftovers. So I did buy a lot of stuff, so I actually miscounted. That's a good thing, because we'll be saving on the bulk buying purchases. So I did buy a lot of stuff on bulk. So when you buy in bulk, so I get a lot of discounts. We got the bifold doors. Hopefully there are no damages. Bifold doors for the closets. And we also have a lot of returns. We might have to return all of this, because we are almost done with soundproofing, and we're gonna use this. We've got a lot of concrete cement over here, and tiles. We're gonna use it, and we're gonna have a lot of doors that we can sell on Facebook Marketplace, or just give it for free. And we have a lot of vanities. That should be enough for the next project. So this is the park, playground, park, baseball, and slope here, slope on that side. So that's the lot I was talking about. That's got a better view on that side. But this one is gonna have little slope over here, but it's still good because it's going to be closer to the park, and it doesn't have better view, so but still it's in a cul-de-sac, so that's a good one too. Privacy, you don't have anyone in the back because it's parked on this side. And what else? So other than people having party and noise here in this pavilion, everything is good. So, but even then, this park would be closed at 9 p.m. So, and we got hillside on this side of the park. So, day 40, week 6. All right, this is the final result. We're gonna paint the shutters into wrought iron as well, and it's gonna look beautiful once everything is complete and done. This is the side of the house. All right, so this is goes up video. This is the difference before, after. Before, after. Looks cool. It doesn't look like too much of a black, but during the shade, like in shade, it'll look black. The back of the house, so those are shutters, painted in black wrought iron, and the house, the vinyls in white dove. So this is how it looks like in shade, and in sunlight on the other side of the house it looks a little brighter. All right, so the cabinets are being assembled. The final result should look like this. So we have to work on the timeline now. So we have to put the LVP first over here in the cabinets, at least the base cabinet, so that the countertop guys can come and measure the countertop space and then get ordered, processed, and delivered. Once everything is done here, the vinyls up, everything is connected, the plumbing and the wall, the base cabinets are installed, and then we can have the countertop installed here, and then after that we're gonna put the wall cabinets and the backsplash. So hopefully everything works out fine, and looking forward to the final result here. All right, so we have tons of projects coming up with the doors. We're gonna have bifold doors, 48 on this side, and we're gonna have one 30-inch bifold door on this side, and probably we're gonna have one more bifold door here, but I'm not sure how much of a space it would take, so probably 30-inch. That's what we're thinking about, and just covering up this place and that, and so that we can have a proper mudroom over here. So yeah.
А вы что, стабильно собираетесь?
Harbi cuma da. Harbi cuma altın çıkıyor. Day 41, week 6.
Так, имя?
Қайсың işletesin деп сұрады ғой. We thought the cabinet color would be closer to this one, but it's a little bit different. And when you check it online, it's a little bit darker like this, but actually it comes a little bit yellow and reddish, I would say. So we're choosing Carrera Roma countertop. So this is how it looks like against this one, against our cabinets. We were debating about between Carrera Marmi and Carrera Roma. This one has warm undertone. This one has cold undertone. It's a little bit grayish and bluish. So we got different options. This is countertop, cabinet, and backsplash. Those are two different colors, right?
Two different materials. Они просто ушли будут.
Oh, okay. So it comes in different shades. Okay. And those are different colors. And this, and this, and this. Can you put this one over here too? Alright, so this one looks too grayish, too white. This one looks beige. This one looks a little bit reddish. So I would say those two are a little closer, but still this one is too bright. Not bright, but too white. So from the camera angle, yeah, this one is closer to this color. This veins are closer to this color, but this one is right in the middle. And this one is good too. I actually like this one too. Yeah, this one, veins kind of match this. Day 42, the final day of week 6. This is how it looks like when it's all dry. So we painted those privacy concrete blocks as well. So they're gonna work on the window framing now, and then clean up the whole paint on the roof, and some little touch-ups here and there, little fixes. Alright, so this is close-up video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect this gutter to this one, and it's gonna go all the way down to here. And we're gonna have water bucket. I forgot the name of it, so it's gonna stay over here, and from here probably it's gonna go to this side, but for that we have to do the concrete work over here. So that's what we're thinking of right now. So probably we're gonna do that so that we can have a better curb appeal, and epoxy on this side and on the other side. So the drywall work of the garage is done, but the mud work is not done yet, so I have to work on mud work. And I don't think we're gonna paint it, so we're just gonna leave it as is, unless we're gonna do this as an office or something like that. So I'm not sure about that part yet. So the garage side is not painted yet, so we're gonna have to paint that. And then the paint over here is done. I'll have to hang the shutters, put it up there. And we're gonna have a lot of connections coming up from this side of the house. So we're gonna have gas line, water line, electrical line, and probably we're gonna have 2 or just 1 exhaust fan flapper, so to this side. So that's bathroom.